Hello and welcome. It's Angie for Love here. So, I asked ChatGPT to give me 3 or 5 actionable, no fluff or BS simple tips that will make a post go viral. Did you see how I prompted it? I would have easily said, give me 3 simple tips that will make a post go viral. But no, I said, look at the words, actionable, no fluff or no BS. That's no bullshit, right? So now look at how ChatGPT replied me. AI ChatGPT. He said, got it. No fluff, no theory, just straightforward tips that make a post go viral. And he said it works on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, even TikTok. Here's your cheat sheet. Now, number 1, it says start with a stop scroll hook. For example, if your business dies tomorrow, this will be the reason. Can you see? Like, if somebody sees this hook or this caption, the person will be tied in the person will want to see, okay, I beg you, I don't want my business die. What I need to do, Look at another example. It says 90% of entrepreneurs are making this deadly mistake. Of course, if you see this as an entrepreneur, if you see this caption, you wouldn't want to make the same mistake. So you definitely click to read it. So it says your first line is everything. Make it bold, urgent, or controversial. Okay, then number 2, it says make it relatable. Share everyday struggles people instantly connect with. For example, that moment your customer says, I'll get back to you, and disappears forever. Of course, there's no business owner that will tell me that he or she has not encountered a customer or client that will tell them, okay, I'll get back to you. Definitely, all the time. So it's very relatable, right? Now, this is what makes a relatable post very, very, stop, like people that are scrolling will just stop and read it. It says relatability makes people tag friends or comment. This is me. Like, have you read a post that is so relatable to you and you say, oh now maybe this, in fact, talk to me directly. Yes, this is the kind of stuff. Then number 3, keep it short plus punchy. Use simple sentences, no jargon. Just simple sentences. Break text into 1 or 2 line paragraphs so it's easy to scan. Don't jam pack your words together, right? Then number 4, ask for engagement the right way. Yes, there's nothing bad for you to ask for engagement, right? But you need to ask for it the right way. So instead of you saying, what do you think? Is when you ask somebody, what do you think? They might be reluctant to, give their opinion. They'll say, I beg, they'll just scroll. So you need to ask first choice questions. For example, which one would you choose? A, B, C, or D? This makes people want to, engage the comments. Or you can say, I agree or disagree. Somebody can easily say, oh, I agree, I disagree, right? Like, just make it easier for them to engage. You understand? Make it easier for them to engage. You've already given them the option. So their only job is just to say, yes, no, A, B, agree, disagree, right? So instead of you saying, what do you think? You're making them they'll start racking their brain, thinking of what to write and all of that. See, people are so busy these days. They just want everything easy peasy and all of that. So give it to them, right? Then number 5, ride on what's trending. Ride on what is trending. So you need to link your message to something hot. For example, football, music, or maybe something viral, right? Or a viral challenge. Then for example, it says business owners need to be like Burna Boy, consistent, unapologetic, and global minded. You see? So that's it. So hook plus relatability plus simplicity plus engagement plus trend equals to viral post. So do this, use this hack, this trick, this cheat code, or this cheat sheet to, start creating viral content. If you want to go viral, yes, this is what you need to do. So I hope you got value from this short video. Yeah, so follow me for more. And yes, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Grow with Angie for Love, because I'll be sharing more, motivational content, AI content that will make you want to stand on your toes, how to learn and earn using AI. All right, see you on the inside. And yes, if you want to register your business name with CAC, I got you. Andy for Love Integrated Enterprise. WhatsApp 070-112-9134, and I'll see you on the inside. Cheers.
I love you. Keep showing